Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to style table but keep text in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open a document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for table option and create a table. Then table is the write the text. Then all text. Now I can see that now select the all table and go into the table border option and click for the no border. That is okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.